Hi guys, how will I come to Enugu and not show you guys how to make Ofa Enugu? So we're almost, not me, the person that is making it, she's almost done because she's almost done. There was one that one woman made. Now she's an old woman, that one is better, but because she's also a professional. So she has put oil, she has put ogiri. In Anambra we don't put ogiri. So this is completely different. Then there is Maggi, then there's hero and something like that, a mixture of seeds. Another thing worthy to note is that the crayfish is dried on fire. Then the pepper too is also fried on fire, so it will be bolanko. So let's continue. Let us continue the process. It's hand based to use, so if you don't know how to eat with hand, sorry. Because when I got married into Enugu, I know that they used to use ogiri powder. I don't know ogiri as what's it called, for like ofede. The bitter leaves your heart to they use ogiri. But in Enugu, ogiri is gold. Iguoya of Maguoya. Now she's introducing the Abacha. I'll try this thing when I get home. But if my husband pushes me from my house, guys, go sit in the
as far as
it's go see mom to be blamed though. Okay, she said she'll still add oil. Why did I not just activate these lights? So she's introducing more oil. How do you know when the oil is enough?
when you mix it,
Like with the color?
it's still white, yeah.
Abacha Enugu.
Everybody have their own process.
How much are you guys going to pay me for bringing this recipe to your doorstep? Now we are introducing the fried dried pepper. This pepper, they fried it on fire. If you're doing it everywhere with the green of it. And the fried dried crayfish.
Just pound it out. Like this one.
Yes, she pounded it.
Nice to like eating it.
Oh, so you can choose to pound your crayfish or choose to eat it whole. This is Kosi style. So see me, the Abacha is ready. That's it. You not taste it now. The gods told her to eat, but she didn't taste it.
No.
But you added salt first, at first.
When I was washing.
Oh, you use salt to wash the
For
Abacha.
sand.
Okay. Please note that for the Abacha, you use salt. You soak the Abacha in hot water.
By the water, you add cold water. When you add a bit of hot water, then add cold water to be able to wash the water.
Okay. And when do you introduce the salt?
As you're washing it.
Okay. Then, what else?
You test now, you know.
You say I should taste it.
Oh, you test this, sir.
Guys, let me turn it in. I just finished tasting this thing now. This thing did not record. But anyways, Kosinwa asked me to taste. I'll taste it again. Kosinwa, she's the one making it. Abacha Enugu is different. Completely different from the one that we used to add potash. Like, it is different. Don't bother. Nothing like you've tasted before. and it's so lovely. Cause I'll finish it too. Funny how I used to like this abacha before. Because the first time I tasted it, it turned my stomach. But now,
Is that potash?
not potash. Potash does not turn my tummy. Is this Ogiri one?
Baby one.
That time I came for my traditional wedding.
The one they did here.
But
The one on bread.
the one they did here. Or maybe it's because it has stayed.
Maybe if you stay on.
But yesterday's one was so good, it didn't turn my tummy.
It was changing. Still changing.
It stays the stuff is so strong. I'm already eating it. It's so lovely. That's the seat. For seeing one. One. So guys, I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to ask any question. I will ask her. She's the cook. I will also attempt my own version when I get to Lagos because I have everything. Do you know now I understand why mommy used to give me plenty of here? Because I didn't understand this. I only did Ogiri for Ofede. Now it's time to plate it. You add fresh fish, you add onion. Then there's also uba. Kusima is going to bring the uba. So guys, here is what the final plate looks like. So excited. Abacha, uba, and chicken. Abacha, Enugu, Onatoka, Wanya Abacha. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until I come your way next time, subscribe, please subscribe now, please help me. Thank you for watching and enjoying my village vlogs. Let me know if you have any questions or anything. I'm happy to ask, and I'll also try to you guys and let you know how I performed. Bye guys. The chicken, I'm in the village, what can I do?